Hey y'all, it's Slow Living, Homestead, and Cooking, and I am India, and today we are going to make a sweet treat in the slow cooker. This is my multi-cooker here. It has a slow cook setting, and that is what we're going to use, but you just need a slow cooker. Use whatever you have. We need 4 ingredients. 16 ounces of some dry roasted, lightly salted peanuts. I got some Aldi's chocolate here. 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 10 ounces of some dark chocolate chips, and some almond butter, some creamy almond butter. There's only one ingredient, and it's almond butter, and it's the dry roasted almonds. No added sugar, no added salt. Okay, 4 ingredients, y'all. Let's get started. Okay, how's the camera, y'all? I want y'all to be up close and personal with this slow cooker. We're going to put the ingredients in this order. We're going to start with the 16 ounce of dry roasted, lightly salted peanuts. So with peanuts. Now we're going to add our 12 ounce of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now we're going to add our 10 ounce of dark chocolate chips. We need a handy dandy silicone spatula to mix this all up when it's time. But the final ingredient is 1 cup of the creamy almond butter. Make sure you get all of that almond butter out of there. You have to fight to get it out the jar. You might as well. You want to make sure you get it all out. One of these days I'm going to make my own almond butter. Today is not that day. I'm enjoying the rest of this. Okay, here's a little hack. We're going to add a towel on top of our slow cooker before adding the top. This is going to help if any condensation builds up. You do not want condensation mixing with your chocolate. Once you put, you can use a towel, you can use paper towel, whatever that's going to block that condensation, just in case. Now we're going to put the top on, and we're going to slow cook this for about an hour. We're going to check it after 30 minutes, see if we can give it a little stir, see how much the chocolate has melted. Put the top on. We're going to put it on low. Oh, it's going the wrong way. We're going to put it on for 1 hour. And we'll check on it in about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. We're going to take the top off. Alright, we're going to take that off. It is melting really good, but we're going to give it, but let's give it a few more minutes. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to give this about another 5 minutes. Put the towel back on. Put it on backwards this time, but it's fine. Put the top. Set it on for 5 minutes, and we'll come right back. Okay, so I have this half sheet here with parchment paper. May need another pan, but we shall see. I have my Pioneer Woman little cookie scoop. Now, you can scoop this as big or small as you want. That is up to you. Got our little spatula waiting. We're gonna have a few minutes before checking this again. This is going pretty fast. every slow cooker is different, so but this one heats better than my other one, my regular slow cooker. So you may not actually need a full hour. That's why I said it's about an hour, but you do have to check it after 30 minutes because yours might be ready. Okay, y'all, it had been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna take that top off again. Take off the towel. Get our spatula. Oh, yes. Let me get need a oven mitt to hold this. Okay, so now we're going to give this a stir. It smells amazing. You want to make sure everything is nice and coated, and that the almond butter is fully mixed in. I want to show y'all a close-up. This look and smell amazing. Now let's start scooping. Before scooping, have any additional toppings you want. Sprinkles, flaky sea salt. For me, I'm going to be using some hip hearts. Now you can use mini muffin liners or regular muffin liners. I'm just going to use some parchment paper. And as far as the ingredients go for this recipe, you can use this as an inspiration, but it won't be the same as the recipe, but that's okay. I use what I had in my pantry, and it's gonna be fine. Now we're gonna scoop. I mean, just look at how beautiful this look. I'm kind of flattening them out so it's not like a big old heaping thing of peanuts, but scoop that out however you want. It is your kitchen. Add one in the corner here. May get a little messy, y'all. And I did keep my slow cooker on as I'm doing this, just so that chocolate stayed nice and melted. But I am trying to work as fast as I can. But y'all, we're not really rushing. Remember, this is slow living homestead. There's no need to rush. I'm going to go ahead and top this off before getting another pan. And again, I'm using hemp hearts. You can use sprinkles. You can use flaky sea salt. You can use whatever you want. I have a smaller pan here to scoop the rest of this. The last bit of peanut clusters here. And these are so good to just have whenever you want a sweet treat. They're good to give as gifts if you want. Okay. Add our hemp seeds here. And in less than an hour, we have some peanut clusters. Let me show you a close-up. Now you have options, y'all, to how y'all want to let this set up. Room temperature may take a little longer if it is warmer in your house. I'm going to pop this in the freezer and have this set up a little faster. So this is the before it have set. Here is the final slow cooker semi-sweet dark chocolate peanut clusters. Just came out of the freezer. I'm going to try one so you can see what it looks like inside. But look how good this looks. So to save these, I keep a few in the refrigerator and the rest in the freezer. And whenever we finish eating the ones in the refrigerator, I just take a few out of the freezer, put it in the refrigerator, and it's good to eat. But do not leave these at room temperature. They will melt. Okay, y'all, and this is how it looks inside.